So in this video I'm going to use PostTrans to edit stock prices in Sage Line 200, and we'll see how easy it is to easily extract those stock records with the price band information into Excel, edit the prices and import the changes back into Sage Line 200. Of course, we mustn't forget that PostTrans can be used for nominal journals, stock adjustments, invoices, quotes, so many other things. And of course it's quite feature rich. You'll see in-cell searching and validation and various other things being used as we go, and of course all this functionality is available for Sage Line 50 also. So here we are on the latest version of Excel, and you can see we've got PostTrans installed, got an extra toolbar here, and 6 buttons are visible. So now what we need to do is we're going to go to our example template for editing stock prices. So I'm going to press the help button and I'm just going to scroll down. You can see there it's organized into group, and just double click on stock prices. That's going to open the example template that comes with PostTrans. Now in this template we can see here we have a whole series of tags in row 1, and the tags allow PostTrans to understand what data we want to push and pull out of Sage Line 200 in this case. So you can see here we've got stock name, stock code, cost price, sales, standard sales price, and sales band 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can edit actually up to 10. So if I put 10 tags in there, we could edit it up to 10 price bands at one time. Now this is quite unusual because PostTrans uses this row here to signify what the price band is actually going to be. Anyway, this will make more sense if I'm just going to delete that out. This will make more sense as we progress. So let's pull out a whole series of stock items and their associated price bands. So I'm going to press the extract button, and you can see here I've already got some criteria. Now I'll just clear that criteria. Now searching works exactly the same as our in-cell searching. So if I press space and tab away on this stock one, we can see all our stock, our supplier list. I'm just going to select AB Cookers. So effectively we're going to work on all of the stock codes that AB Cookers supply us with, so all those products. Now as I said, we need to define these price bands. So there's a third tab in here that allows me to define which price band gets pushed to which column. So again, if I press space, we can see our list of price bands. So I could select the Euro one maybe for the first one, band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 5. So now when we press OK to overwrite, push the data back into the spreadsheet, you'll notice that these price band names get written to the row that we just deleted all the information. There they go. And that signifies not only to you that what price band is contained in each column, but also to PostTrans. So now to alter the price, of course we could add a formula based on the cost price of the item, so we could change our prices according to that, but I'm just going to go in there and just type 305 in these two cells here. And if, say, for some reason we want this to actually be the standard price, all we need to do is put an X in there, and now we can push that information back into Sage Line 200 very easily. Let's just alter this and make that a standard item too. So now we press the import button, and it's just telling me there any defaults it's going to use if it was creating a new stock items, but we're not creating this new stock items, so let's press OK. And you can see there it says 6 records have been updated with no errors. So let's scroll back to the top of the spreadsheet, and we can see there it's marked updated against anything, any of those stock records or associated values back into Sage Line 200. So we note that we changed this to 305 and we changed these 3 items here to standard selling prices. So just to prove that's gone into Sage 200, again if I extract the data again from Sage 200, and you can see it's remembered the price band definitions and the supplier criteria. So I'm just going to press OK and overwrite. And there we can see these are still on standard price, and these were changed to £305. So you can see there how easy it is to edit your price band information using PostTrans for Sage Line 200. If you're watching this video from YouTube, to go to our website, simply click on the link in the description below. If you're already on our website, you can scroll down slightly, and below this video you'll probably see some related links to associated articles. Let's just show you some of the resources on the website. Switch over, here's the home page. You can see here we have a series of menus at the top, and if you allow them to expand, you can see there all the different types of importation or extraction you can use with PostTrans and Sage, and also the transactions you can post. But importantly, there's a training section here. If we go to the training section, that describes in detail how to alter a PostTrans template using the tags that we briefly discussed in the demonstration. Also on the website is a blog which you can subscribe to, and I thoroughly recommend that, so then you can learn of new functionality and uses of PostTrans, because each of these articles maybe hones in on a particular function, a particular tag, or a particular way of using the product to do a particular job. For instance, expanding bill of materials on an order, code searching, protecting templates, importing CSV files, pricing, managing VAT, order currency, you name it, it's all in there. And that is easily accessible from the software itself. So if I switch back to a template, and this one's an order template, and I've just got the tag window open here on the right, but you'll see as I scroll down, this one here, TL description, which is the actual product description, actually has a blog article. So clicking on there takes me to that blog article and explains in great detail the implications of using that tag and the many different options, maybe in system setups, alters and behavior of that tag. So hopefully that will help. Also, we have the help button itself on the button bar, which takes you to kind of a context sensitive help, and also takes you to the training page, which explains how to manipulate and alter that template. And in addition to all that, of course, we have these blue help buttons here, which are easily accessible. They're also in the setup windows within PostTrans. So again, that takes you to a blog article. For instance, this one's about making the cursor follow a certain path. That will then take you to that article and explain how you customize that individual functionality. So there, I hope you've seen many different functions and online resources that we provided you to enable you to customize PostTrans to create a template to help you or your customers. So I thank you very much for watching this video.